tell us about a couple of those FMCG names as well that are moving around?
Yes, one of them is Kaya right now. So basically yesterday in the exchanges, there was an announcement that came in from the end of both Marico and Kaya. What Marico's done with Kaya is they've collaborated on a way where Kaya's products can be sold, marketed and sold by Marico itself. Marico will handle the sales and marketing of Kaya's 75 plus products outside of Kaya's own clinics. Remember, Kaya is a wellness business and they have some of their products which they sell in some of their 70 outlets which are there. And because it's a wellness business and the products are selling just there, over the last 10 years or so, the sales of Kaya products have been pretty limited. Close to around 350 to 400 crores is where the top line has been flitting between over the last 10 odd years. With Marico having access to a direct reach of over 1 million stores, and access to obviously the best of marketing and sales, etc., can they grow and unlock the untapped potential of Kaya brand is something that the street is betting on. And as a result of which, while it will be a mild positive for Marico because it does well for their premium personal care things, we need to understand the commercial terms of this arrangement itself. How much will be sold by Marico? What is the margin that they will get for this? And what would be the incremental sales of Kaya itself for it? Kaya, if you just take a look at the stock price over the last month or so, you'd see that including today's 10% gain, there's been a near 60-70% rise in an otherwise absolutely flat or consolidatory stock. So some part of the street was expecting some sort of arrangement to come by for Kaya, maybe in this manner or another, which would lead the business in a different direction. And that's eventually come about. What it'll be remaining to seen is what kind of growth potential does happen out here. As you can see, the stock up 67%. And you look at a longer term chart, nothing. So obviously some part of it was being penciled in, and now that has come about.
All right, Mangalam, thanks for that. Well, for the time being, let's slip into a short break. Up next, the newly crowned T20 World Champions, Team India, has landed in Delhi and will meet our Prime Minister very shortly. Stay tuned for all the updates on that front.